Easy way to schedule posts on Facebook full guide. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment a heart. Without wasting any time, I'm already on Facebook. You should head over there too. You'll see the text "What's on your mind" at the top of your Facebook feed. This is where Facebook invites you to share your thoughts, feelings, photos, or updates with your friends. Photos/videos is the option you press to upload pictures or videos to your Facebook post. It allows you to share visual content from your device with your friends or followers. Say something about this video is a prompt Facebook shows when you're posting a video. It encourages you to add a caption or description to explain or comment on the video you're sharing. Now press Next. Schedule options lets you choose a specific date and time to publish your post later. This is useful for planning content in advance instead of posting right away. Schedule for later allows you to set a future date and time to automatically publish your post. This helps you manage your posts ahead of time without needing to be online. First, select the date, then press OK. Next, choose the time you want to schedule the post for according to your preference. Then press OK. Now, on the top right corner, press the Save button. And finally, press Schedule to schedule your post on Facebook. If it works successfully, type "Done" in the comments. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.